Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for attending yet another webinar. Today's topic is data quality in higher education, challenges and solutions. If you missed previous webinars, you can find them on our YouTube channel, also on our webpage. We do blogs, we do videos, we do guide videos for our app called Data Quality App. So you can find us online on our webpage, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. So if you have any questions regarding these webinars or data quality app, feel free to reach out to me and I will be more than happy to help you out with those informations. So as I have mentioned today, we are talking about higher education and how can data quality app help you with your CRM. So let's start. This is a quick look on the agenda today. We have introduction, common challenges, impact of poor data quality on higher education institutions, strategies for improving data quality in higher education. We have a quick demo, which I will go in my CRM and show you data quality app in action, Q&A, and of course, call to action. So before we start, of course, a couple of words about our company. We are TechDio, we are from Denmark, and we have more than 14 years of experience working with CRM. And basically, our mission is to utilize our expertise in providing sustainable plug-and-play solutions to our customers and help them maximize their growth. And through that work, we have developed a data quality app, which is Microsoft preferred add-on for Dynamics 365 and also Power Apps. Basically, data quality app, one of the biggest features is that everything happens inside your CRM. So there is no external access to your data. That's why a lot of government branches and banks are using this app. Also, there's no API connection needed. And as I mentioned, everything happens inside your CRM. Also, one of the biggest features is that everything happens in real time. So if we start with duplicate detection, warning windows, it happens in real time. Data quality rules, your dashboards on any record, on any entities, refreshing in real time. And so basically everything happens in real time, which is really important when it comes to data. So if you go to AppSource Asia Marketplace, you will be able to find there our app, and we have tailored that for specific industry. So you can find us for manufacturing, higher education, NGO, etc. So which industry you are, you download that app. So let's start with this. Now, we'll talk about common challenges in data quality management. So basically, in today's data-driven world, university and colleges rely more than ever on accurate and reliable information. And this data fuels critical decisions about everything from student recruitment and retention to resource allocation, to program development, to scheduling, etc. But what exactly is data quality? Basically, the degree to which your data is accurate, complete, consistent, and of course timely. And when we talk about issues like data quality issues like inconsistency, inaccuracy, or outdated information can hinder effective resource allocation, program development, and student success. So one of the issues is that like data inconsistency, basically different departments or systems may use different formats definitions for the same data points, and that can lead to confusion and difficulty in analyzing data across the institution. Then we have data inaccuracy. Basically, mistakes can happen during data entry, leading to inaccurate or incomplete student records, financial data, or faculty information. Then we have, of course, outdated data. Information that hasn't been updated, that can become a big issue, become obsolete, rendering it useless for current decision making. We all want to, we don't want that to happen to our data inside our CRM, of course. Then you have data integration issues. Integrating data from different sources can be complex. When we talk about incompatible formats, security restrictions, sorry, and the manual data entry processes can create silos of information that are difficult to combine for comprehensive analysis. So basically, you have to make sure that you have correct formats if you're integrating data from one source to other source. It's just like a basic example. Limited resources, dedicated staff, budget allocation, proper data management tools are essential for maintaining data quality. And if you have a limited resources, that can make it difficult to implement and maintain effective data quality practices. And lack of awareness, basically without a strong understanding of the importance of data quality across all levels of the institution, data quality can become a nightmare, and it can take your budget, it can take your time, so you'll have to fix it, so you'll have to invest more in the same process at something that you could take care at the beginning, at the populating the fields, etc. So how to improve data quality, and data quality is whose actually responsibility. Basically, how to improve data quality, we have a simple solution. It's called Data Quality App. It can help you with everything you need about your data inside your CRM. So I'm going to show you what it can be done. And of course, if you have something specific, some specific issue, I will be more than happy to help you with that. So maybe we can create custom rules for that to help you solve those issues. And who's that responsibility, the data quality? Basically, it's everyone in the company. So from the end users to admins to management, everyone should take care of data quality, because as I have mentioned, it can bring a lot of risks. It can bring, it can take out your budget, take out your time while doing again the task that you could avoid, etc. So yeah, it's everyone's responsibility. Now we'll talk about impact of poor data quality on higher education institutions. So we talked about challenges. Let's check this one, poor data quality. So we have ineffective decision making. Basically, inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to misguided decisions about resource allocation, program development, maybe strategic planning, etc. Then operational inefficiencies. Inconsistent data across systems can cause delays and errors in administrative processes like admissions, financial aid, maybe registrations, etc. So basically, all of that can lead to frustrated students. Maybe you'll have problems with your staff, like staff burnout, and also a negative institutional experience. We have risk management issues. Inaccurate data can create vulnerabilities in areas like, as I mentioned, financial reporting, compliance with regulations, and accreditation standards. We have hindered student success. Basically, inaccurate student records, they can lead to missed opportunities for scholarships, which is basically a big deal. Maybe something like career advising, academic support service, etc. So again, risks. Then you have difficulty benchmarking performance measurement. So if your data isn't consistent or comparable to other institutions, it becomes difficult to benchmark your performance. Then weakened marketing and recruitment efforts, basically reliant on incomplete or outdated student information. If you're creating marketing campaign, it can miss-target our audience or fail to highlight the right programs, which is important for the universities or colleges. Strained alumni relations and fundraising. Basically, incorrect alumni contact details. It can hinder communication efforts, again, leading to missed opportunities for engagement and fundraising potential. We have reduced trust and transparency. When data quality issues lead to errors and inconsistencies, it can erode the trust, of course, of the students, of the faculty, of the staff, and of course of the external stakeholders, which you need to keep trust between everyone inside your company to actually do better. So we talked about challenges, we talked about poor data quality and effects. Now let's just quickly go to strategies for improving data quality in higher education. Then I will go to my CRM. So leverage data profiling standardization. Basically, we can create data quality rules to make standardized criterion how your fields should be populated and what to fill in. Implement automated bulk detection. Basically, you can schedule bulk detection to run when you want based on any duplicate rule that you have created. So you'll get reports regularly about duplicates. Enhanced data validation and verification. Basically, you can set up a real-time data validation rules within the app to prevent errors during data entry, of course. Streamline data integration. Using data quality rules, you can connect to other systems and get your information back on data quality dashboard. So you will have in real-time informations, and they will be based on your rules. So from different sources, like maybe you're in a CRM, but you're getting also information for other system using Power Automate Flow connected with our rules, data quality rules. So I'm going to show you how that looks like. Then we have foster data quality collaboration. So basically, admins can access reports, they can track progress towards data quality goals, etc. Leverage data quality reporting and analytics. So these reports, they can track key metrics like data completeness, accuracy, timeliness, providing valuable insights into data quality improvement efforts. I'm going to show you the dashboards, what you can show on them. Basically, every rule that you create, they will be available for you to show them on the dashboards. Then we have promote data quality awareness. Basically, foster a culture of data quality awareness among faculty, staff, of course, students, and provide training sessions. Of course, we will be more than happy to help you with data quality from our side, to offer you training support and actually to offer you support at any point given with all the issues if you have them. And continuous improvement. Basically, data quality management is an ongoing process, and basically you have to regularly assess the effectiveness of your data quality, and you have to continually seek opportunities for improvement, basically. So we'll just now go to my CRM. I'm going to open this, and here we are. I'm in higher education, and this is students entity. So let's start from duplicate detection, and let's see if I want to create a new student. So I'll just take one of the emails that I know that are in the system. So if I go to email and just paste here. Now, when I move to another field, I'm gonna get yellow warning window. This works in real time. So basically, I didn't have to save it. It automatically pop up yellow warning window. So I can click on view duplicate records, and I can see that this record is actually a duplicate. They have the same email. This is the name of the rule that was activated. So from here, my end users, they can merge these records, or they can go back and fix this email. So it's up to you how you configure behind the scene. So that's how you detect duplicates. Your end users, how they detect duplicates. So if I go back to the students entity, me as an admin, if I allow my end users to have availability to actually do bulk detection, they will get a button here on their ribbon called duplicate detection. So they can click, open that, and then here they will have rules. So all the rules that I have allowed them to do, to see here, they will be available here. Currently, I have only one rule, same email. So I can click on that, click foreground, continue. And now I'm doing bulk detection as an end user. So if admin allows me, then I will be able to do bulk detection and see which one are duplicates. So from here, I can do manual bulk merging etc. So I'm just going to close this for now. We'll get back to that. So let's go back to now the other side, how admin sees that. So I'll go to my app, data quality app, go to duplicate rules. And here I'm going to open the email that was activated, the rule that was activated called same email. So if I open this, then me as an admin, first I have to create this rule. So you add a name, you choose your source and target entities. In this case, it's student. And also you configure these stuff. If you want in details what every of these means and all of these, I will be more than happy to show you, to arrange a quick meeting. And also you can find our videos on YouTube. So I will skip this for this time. This option you call enable for list view was this option that allows me as an end user to see actually the rule. So if I put here yes, my end users will be able to see this rule called same email. If I put no, this rule won't be visible for them. Only I will be able to do bulk detection as an admin. Also, you can, in filtering option, you can additionally filter through data. So for example, you don't want to do bulk detection on all students, maybe only that have some informations in email. So you go to advanced settings and download fetch XML and paste it here, and you're good to go. Also, let's just quickly go through these. Ignore users. You can add unlimited number of users that will be skipped by this rule if you have something important going on, like integrations. And also rule criteria. You're adding here your rule criteria. Here we have only one, which is email for source and target field. But you can add more of them, and they all work as an and option. So that's just a quick look on how you create data quality, duplicate detection rule. So let's go back to same email, and let's do bulk detection as an admin. So it's simple, it's the same. You just wait for this process to finish, and here we are. So I'm going to close it, and let's go to duplicate results. Here you will have all the runs that you did. So this is the last one that we have just done actually. So you have some basic informations here. We go to results page, and here are all duplicates based on same email rule. So I'm going to open this one so I can show you the manual merge. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, and 3 records which are duplicates. So if I click here on manual merge button, here's what's going to happen. So I'm going to have 3 of them here. So you can have here unlimited number of records. You're not limited by just having 2 records here in manual merge. So you can make a master this record, select all fields. You can select fields from other records. You can merge related data if you want. And also what we allow is if you select, for example, this record, you can delete it completely from the system or ignore it just from this merging. And you click on merge and you're good to go. So that's manual merging. So if you go back to results page, maybe I want to do bulk merge. So there's a button called merge duplicates. So if I click on that, I'm going to maximize this. On the right side, you select which fields you're going to keep. On the left side, you should choose merge order. Basically, this is the master record. In this case, I'm going to leave oldest to newest using created on date. Do you want to include related data? Continue to next record error. And of course, if you want additionally to filter now through the result page, you can do that. Maybe you don't want to merge all the data, so you can download fetch XML and just paste it here. For example, you can merge only data which last name starts from A to H. So you download fetch XML, paste it here, and you're good to go. And you have to just click here on start merge, and that is bulk merging. I'm going to close this. Now I will go back to my duplicate rules. I want to show you, if you go to, I'm just going to open the same rule. As you can see, we have source and target entity here. So in this case, we are looking for duplicates in student entity. But what we can do here is if we put in source entity, let's open that. If we put in source entity university and in target entity account, so we can allow to cross-check between entities. So basically, if I have in this case, in our case, if I have university already created as a business partner, in this case account, then I'm going to get a duplicate notification. So let's just go quickly to the accounts. Let me show you how that looks like. So if I open this one, and let me just copy the mail, and we will go to now universities, and let's just try to create a new one, and we have email right here, and when I move, I'm going to get a duplicate. So university account. So I know that this university that I'm trying to create is already created as a business partner for the account. So we allow that as well. The next thing that you can do is you can create phonetic fields, which basically you can use. You're creating field. Let's just say student's first name, and basically phonetic fields means that it is using algorithm called Metaphone3, and it's giving records, actually fields, a specific value based on pronunciation on the 3 languages that are currently available, like English, German, and Spanish, and it's used for misspelling. So if you have any misspelling in this case, names, it will be detected still as a duplicate because it uses Metaphone3 algorithm. So for more information regarding these phonetic fields, feel free to reach out to me and I will be more than happy to show you how that looks like. Then we will go to the data quality rules. Now here, let me show you how that looks like. So let's go to students. And I'm just going to open one of these. So data quality rules are visible here on your dashboard. So this dashboard is movable, customizable, and it's really easy to add. We will show you how. And basically you will have all your rules specifically for this entity, and if they meet the criteria, of course. So let's just see some basic rules. I have created this one. Student last name has to have at least 3 characters. So if I delete and delete only 2 characters and save the record, then I'm going to get updated version of dashboard, which is a warning window, and says I have to fix that. So if I go back and paste and try to save, then it's going back to OK sign. So that is like basic rules that you can create. As we can see, we have more rules here: a valid address, a valid email address. These one are using flow option, Power Automate flow, and basically they're using API connection to check for these informations. Are they actually true? And if they are, it's OK sign. If they are not, they're warning sign. So basically, let me show you how. Let me first show you how the error sign looks. So we have warning, OK sign, and of course error. So if I go to this record, as you can see, I have here first name only letter. So in this case, I have some specific character in my first name, and this rule, so basically doesn't meet criteria. This record doesn't meet criteria, and it's an error. So I'm not going to be able to save, to update actually this record before I fix this. So that's the other, the third option that you get with data quality rules. So if you go to new, and let me show you the rule types. So you have regular expression validation, that's regex formula. For example, that's the one that we have seen, that the field has to have only letters, not any specific characters. You have minimum length. We have also seen that. You have last modified. When was the last time your record was modified? Not older than, for example, 5 days. Number of activities, you can choose activity type, and minimum value. If there is no, for example, 3 activities, give me a warning sign. You have last activity. Similar, not older than, for example, 5 days. For all of these rules, you can choose severity, warning, or error. And when you choose that, of course, you have to choose entity, for example, account, and you will get your name. This name represents the name here on the dashboard. And rule result field display name, this is the field in your CRM, and you can use this in your flows. I'm going to show you why. So let me first mention that you can specify this rule for a specific business unit or a theme, or for example, you can use it if a field has a specific value. So you can create, let's say, if you have a mobile phone and you want to create for specific countries different formats, you can say if a country, you find here country is equal is exactly, and then you can type here Denmark, then your mobile phone here, you add your mobile phone has to have 7 characters, and create another rule, and you say if a country is exactly US, then mobile phone has to have 9 characters, etc. So that's just a basic example what you can do with this option here. And basically, if the record doesn't meet criteria, for example, Denmark country, the rule won't be visible on the dashboard for those records. And if these rules are not enough, you can use option called flow. Basically, you choose your entity, rule type flow, severity, warning, and you get your name, of course, to change it how you like, and you get here display name, and you're good to go. I have already one created. Let's just open that one. Let's say valid email address. It's simple. The name, entity, rule type flow, and severity warning. Basically, if you go here, you can see valid address, valid email address. It uses the API connection to check if this email is correct and update this. So you can connect with Business Central and again get the updated information here. You have a lot of connectors, so it doesn't have to be some specific API connection or Business Central. Can be virtually no limits. So what you can create with this flow option, and of course, so that's a flow option. So let me just go quickly to universities and open one of these. As you can see, we have added scoring here. So you can add data score. Again, I will show you how to add this. If you're interested, just contact me. So you can score your records based on these rules. So you can create your own logic. We have created flow where we said, okay, if this rule is okay sign, then give this record a 2 stars, and if this one is okay sign, give it 1 more star, etc. So you're creating your own logic through flows. And if I click on here and open next one, as you can see, there are 2 stars. Then if you go more than 4 stars, 2 again, 3 again, 4 stars, etc. So you can add the scoring to actually help you with dashboard. So while we're talking about dashboards, let me show you. So you can create these dashboards. So we have just seen this this data scoring, and if I open this, as you can see, I can add all my rules on these dashboards. So if I click on this, I can get informations about universities that have high score, the 4 stars, and actually this one that has 5 stars. So if I go back, same can happen with this low data score that is less than 4 stars, 3 or 2. I can also represent all my records. So if I open this with valid email address, just click on that, and if I click here, then I will get these are all okay email addresses. And if I click here, I will get one with warning sign that has to be fixed. And of course, scholarship not paid. And for example, we have created that dashboard as well. So basically, you can represent all the rules here on these dashboards, which can help you a lot with creating your reports, etc., etc. Following your maybe on a monthly basis the requirements for better decision making, etc. So yeah, you can represent everything on the dashboard. So that's regarding that. So I'm gonna go back to my presentation. Let's just see. We are left with benefits of data quality in higher education. So we have seen the data quality app, make informed decisions. So accurate and reliable data allows you to make well-informed decisions about everything from resource allocation, program development to student support services and strategic planning. Improve operational efficiency, consistent data across systems, streamlines administrative processes. Of course, you will have reduced errors and frees up staff time, of course. Enhance student success. Basically, reliable student data allows you to effectively track academic progress, identify at-risk students, and offer targeted interventions to improve graduation rates, maybe learning outcomes, etc. Strengthen accreditation compliance. Detailed and accurate data ensures your institution meets accreditation standards. So basically, we're creating rules to help you with that. Optimize marketing and recruitment. Clean student data helps you personalize marketing campaigns, of course, targeting the right audience. Basically, showcase your institution strengths to prospective students. Boost alumni relations and fundraising. Accurate alumni data allows you to maintain strong connections with graduates, enhance communication, increase your fundraising potential. Promote data-driven culture. Commitment to data quality fosters a culture of evidence-based decision-making throughout the institution, promoting transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement, of course. Gain a competitive advantage. High-quality data allows you to basically benchmark your performance against other institutions, to identify areas of excellence and make data-driven decisions that position your university for long-term success, of course. And of course, the main one, reduce risks. Basically, significantly reduce risk across various aspects of your institution's operations. So that means like reduce risks to financial savings, improve efficiency, enhance student success, stronger position for long-term success. Basically, reduce risks in all the ways. So. And basically, data quality is not just a technical issue. It's a strategic asset that empowers universities to make informed decisions, enhance efficiency, and of course, to achieve their educational goals. So that's it regarding this webinar. If anyone has any questions, feel free to write it down. I will go to the next part. Or you can contact me on my mail that will be available on the last slide. So, as I have mentioned, you can find us on the AppSource Asia Marketplace, our webpage. Contact us, you'll be able to find your apps tailored for specific industry. And just download it, contact us. If you have any questions, we are more than happy to help you. And of course, we offer a 1 month free trial for all clients. So where you will be able to create rules, install our app in your CRM. We will be there to help you with that. And if you choose if you see that actually helps you, then we can go to the sales part. And this is my email, support email. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And thank you so much for attending this webinar. Keep up with our socials, keep up with our webpage, YouTube channel for future webinars. And again, thank you so much for attending and see you another time. Bye.